Everyone, this is others. I'm designing the dipole antenna. For that, we have to select. We have to create the variable values. I already defined the values: frequency max, frequency minimum, and I value and wire value. So for that, we have to select plus value. We have to add variable. In that, we have to define all the values like how I designed before. So after doing this one, we have to after that you have to construct the value lines. So for that we have to select the construct and we have to select line. So in that we have to give all the values as a 0 and then will be the 1, and we have to label the name like upper element lower element both the times we have to do that one. After defining that we will be get like a lower element and upper element. You have to select one lower element, it will be displayed as this one. In this we have to double click, we have to create port and we have to select port point. We have to select a start point because we are generating the radiation pattern in the mid origin plane, so we have to select as a start point. After clicking OK to select a one port point. For that port point we have to define the voltage source. So we have to select the voltage already, the magnitude phase reference already predefined, so we no need to change anything, just we have to add and click OK. Later we are going to define the frequency, so we are selecting source load and defining the frequency. Here I am selecting as a linear space discrete points. We can select as a single also, but I am defining from frequency from minimum to maximum, so I am selecting this one. So I'm defining and giving the frequency of number of frequency as 100. After defining the frequency we are going to define the far field. For that we are selecting request and defining the far field. In this we have to select a 3D image, it will be displayed in the background. So we have to select and we have to just add, no need to change any values. Later that we are going to select mesh values and we have to add mesh, and here y segment radius we have to give as a wr by 12. So it will be generate the wire and we have to give add that one. So now we are designed that, so we are going to save as your wish. Later we have to solve and run. We have to solve the run this image. After running you have to click OK and we have to open post FEKO. After opening we are going to get a 3D dipole image. So here we are going to select as a selecting the far field image. We will be get the image like this. Here we are selecting frequency as a 2.4040. We are selecting gain and we have to select dB. It will be displayed like this. After that we are selecting Cartesian, and Cartesian, as after selecting Cartesian we have to select source data. So like this we will be getting as a reflection coefficient. We are selecting in this we are dB, and courses in the top bottom corner we will be displaying this way. We are getting the minus 15.57 dB. After that we are same like we are getting VSWR also. After click on that 3D dipole image and select the far field, we will be getting select the polar and select far field. Click on far field 1 and selecting the theta wrapped here. And after that we are selecting the frequency as a 2.404 dB and process. So it will be displayed as a radiation pattern like this, and this is a far field. We can here measure the gain, axial point, all the values. Thank you for watching.